What's the meaning of coloratura? Coloratura. Coloratura.
Coloratura. Coloratura. Coloratura refers to a type of vocal music that is characterized by complex runs, trills, and ornamentation. It requires a high level of technical skill and is typically performed by sopranos and mezzo-sopranos. The term can also refer to the singers who perform this type of music. Coloratura singing is often associated with opera and is used to showcase a singer's agility and virtuosity. Overall, the term coloratura describes a specific style of vocal music that demands precision, control, and artistry from the performer.